t-shirt over here. Mom.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shaniqua Lachey.
And my name is Chandler.
Okay, and today we're going to be cooking. What are we cooking today? Do you know?
No, I don't.
Okay, so we're going to be cooking Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta.
Yeah.
And we're going to have chicken in it too.
Yeah. I found the recipe on TikTok, so we're going to try it out. You think it's going to be good?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, y'all. Stick around. Let's see how this turns out.
Wait, what's that called?
Chicken.
Chicken?
So first we're going to start off with some chicken thighs. I'm going to wash this.
Yes, but
And then
before cooking it.
Yep. And then we're going to season it.
And you can see how it looks.
We don't have to show them how it looks. No.
We can when... Okay, fine. So I was here playing with you, believe with you. And our hands are dirty. So my mom's already using this. I'll show you. This is for people if they get dirty. I'm sorry, guys. I just fell. I want to help.
Hold on. Let me do this first, and then you can help. No, that's raw chicken.
But it's so. Why are you drying it?
So I can season it.
Okay.
Oh, you want to kiss me on camera, but you don't want to kiss me throughout the day. Whatever, Chandler. Whatever.
No, won't do it. Okay, guys, I'm here. You know you don't see me, right? Oh, let me help you.
Let me get some regular seasoning.
It's the same thing. We can do it all together, okay, guys? So you don't need one because you're the one.
So I seen the TikTok video.
It's right on my mom's phone.
Yeah, and so we gonna kind of be winging this because I don't remember if they put one packet of this Caribbean jerk or two.
Yes, even we have these.
Yeah, so we'll see.
You'll see if this works on the chicken. So we are waiting for my mom to put this one on because this is hers. So she's getting all the ingredients on the video.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put too much because Chandler don't really like spicy food, so I'm gonna just do some Lowry seasoned salt.
Hot. Okay, I'm gonna do this. That's a lot more.
Go ahead.
And what I do?
That's a lot, Chandler. Hold on, Chan.
Okay, I just put a little bit in it. So, are you going to mix it with your hands? That's disgusting.
Yeah. Can you see my face?
You can see my face too. I'm a little bit far away from you.
All right, so we're gonna open the Caribbean jerk season. Pour this one. Pour this one. It's kind of strong. We might only need one packet. Chan, we might only need one packet. Pour this one.
Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot.
I think this should be enough. I think so. What you think?
That's
It's not. Stop it.
But I want to dry.
Because then you have to wash your hands.
I will.
Oh. All right, I'm going to wash my hands, and then I need to go refer back to that video. So, y'all, hold on. I'm going to brown this.
Ooh.
I should have used a bigger pan, but yeah.
Squishy.
Y'all see this? Hold on.
Wobbly. Squishy. Wait. Gosh. I'll just mix it.
It's looking good. We got
That.
the veggies.
What's that called?
We got another knife, clean knife.
What's that called?
It's vegetables.
Vegetables.
I think that's enough vegetables. What you think? I'm gonna put some butter in here too. No. No, this is bell peppers. And onions. What you think? How it look, Jan? Delicious. Alright, let's cook this chicken some more. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna stir this up, mix it up, and then I'll put the sauce in it. Now the TikTok video said to use Parmesan, so to make it easy. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll mix that up, and I'll be right back. I always say I'll be better on 7. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Alright, I think that's no. Again, I'm gonna get this other thing. Parmesan. And I think we'll be good to go after this. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit because it's done. I'll put a little bit on my plate. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Like I said, this is a TikTok recipe, so if I did something wrong, blame TikTok. I did do a little bit. I did put my own measurements or whatever because I can't remember. But like I said, all the ingredients came from TikTok. So, yeah. All right, I'm gonna try it. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah. Y'all need to try this. All right. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you have any suggestions, comments, drop it in the comment section below. And like I said, thanks again for tuning in. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Bye. How was it, Tran? What is it, a thumbs up? Oh. So we did a great job?
Mm-hmm.
You ate all your food?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right.
Walk, look.
Okay, bring it to me. Girl, that's the plate? Oh, good job. So we did good then. Oh. Okay. 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 I did a good job. I did a good job. Bye, y'all.